Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great today. I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about if your ear speaker or the calling speaker is not working, how you can solve it in your device Redmi Note 11. But firstly, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move to other topic. If your ear speaker is not working or the calling speaker is not working, you can solve it by the way as I'm showing in my video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video, and let's learn how you can solve the ear speaker problem in your device Redmi Note 11. Let's watch the video.